everybody, welcome back to our third video of the TwitchCon trip. This has been quite a journey. Day 2 at TwitchCon went so well. From finding things at Artist Alley and meeting streamer friends, the day was just amazing. And don't forget to stay until the end for some Rotterdam views after the con.
Hey! I don't even know the name. Good to see you. Hey, what's up? How you doing? How's the stream been? How's the con been?
I mean, yesterday I forgot my tripod at the whole time. So I only streamed a couple hours, like just with my hands.
Yeah.
And then I went back.
This is good though. That it's Patty_TV. We met on the stream.
Yeah.
Beat me to TwitchCon. Beat me to TwitchCon somehow. But I made it. That's all that matters. I still made it.
I spent quite a bit of time walking through every single booth at Artist Alley, and I did end up buying some things for my best friend and for my sister and for myself. There was so much creativity and cool art to see.
You can tell her to find me. I have blue hair. It's a lot easier.
You gonna be stepped on?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
Not my thing. I just really learned because, it's so relaxing. Actually.
Your badge.
Oh, thank you.
There we go. So we have steak, mushroom,
That's so cute.
I met up with Ira about 3 times during the day. Unfortunately, in this specific part, the audio is just not okay. We were just randomly interviewed by some other streamer. That was fun.
Are you having okay, we started. I don't feel my feet anymore. Yeah. Well, we run on adrenaline and excitement today, Zach. Yeah. It was very nice meeting you. Thank you so much. We can try to give a hug. Yeah, can you hold on? Good to see you again. I was like, I just sit down. I'm gonna watch the backwards. Yeah, I'll go.
I know
Oh,
I got my stream snipe Betty on my stream. It's my first IRL stream. Do you have any tips for me? Oh yeah, no idea because.
Oh, it's Twitch. Because they announced on the TwitchCon opening that they are doing
Oh, they're gonna change the actual like. Oh, that's good.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Yes, you have to meet my Portuguese friend.
Oh, Portuguese?
Yeah.
Sério? Como é que chama? She, she lives in Ireland. Really?
Yeah.
Bro, I know people all over the place.
2016 or 17.
I left in 2016.
Oh my god.
Really, I was in Dublin until then, and then I left to Berlin.
I was 1 year in Dublin while I was working for Ryanair.
Really? Oh my god, I love that. I love that. It was probably one of my favorite places to live.
People there are very friendly.
They're so nice.
They're very welcoming.
They're so nice. I think I look Irish, so they always think I was Irish, and then I start speaking, and they go like,
Yeah.
"Where's the accent? What do you mean? You're American?"
For like 1 month, I did not understand so many words that they wrote down.
It takes a while. It takes a while. It was a lot of fun.
Bye bye, Con. Say bye bye, Con. Oh look, there's your girl. Say goodbye to the TwitchCon.
After the con, I wanted to explore Rotterdam a little, but the wind was really strong and I want to save your ears. That's a wrap up for TwitchCon. I love meeting everyone. It was the best part of this trip. And visiting the Netherlands was amazing. I totally fell in love with the country and both cities that I've been. I really want to go back and actually experience the city and take you guys with me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video for some Amsterdam adventures. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.